In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to jump forwards and back on a single leg variation. So what we're going to be using here is something on the floor that you've got as a marker. This is great because it gives you a visual representation of having to jump over something and having to jump back to the position you was in. What I'm using here as the TheraBand is really good to use because if I jump over it and then accidentally jump on it, it's going to be just like me being in contact with the floor. So you might just want to use like a little mark on the floor, anything that you've got that basically you can jump over and jump back to. Don't use anything that could become a hazard or that you could roll your ankle or slip on. So what you're going to do is you're going to decide which leg you're going to do first. Ultimately, you should be doing both legs, even if you've got an injury on just one. So you're going to bring yourself into a flex position at the knee. I've decided I'm going to do this left leg. I'm going to bring the knee into a bent position. That's going to mean that I can use that momentum when I come up to jump over this band. I'm then, when I jump over the band, going to keep my right leg, the leg that's not working, off the floor for the hardest variation. If you want an easier variation, what you might want to do is jump over and then put your foot down and then put it back up and then jump back. But let's do it. So I'm going to jump over, stabilize, jump back, stabilize, jump forwards, stabilize. And when you do each repetition, what you're looking for is the knee to be tracking over the second toe. So we don't want it coming too far this way or too far the other way. And if you do get wobbly, so you feel all over the place, try to balance and then come back into the position. Don't kind of be all over the place and then just jump back. You've got a heightened chance of injury. And if you do land and you realize that your balance isn't great, you can always use your right leg to put the foot down. So let's say, for example, I jump forward and it all goes wrong. So I'm all over the place. I can always bring my right leg down, reset and go again. That's how to do a single leg jump forwards and back.